Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find out the name of the hard drive or the SSD you have installed on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. This is very simple to do. You can press the Control Alt Delete buttons down at the same time, and it should be open up Task Manager. If that doesn't work, we can go to the search icon and type in Task Space Manager. It'll auto-populate right here. Select it and open up this little application. Then what we want to do is go on down to Processes or Performances. Let's go to Performance and then locate your disk drive. So here's disk 0. This is an SSD. It says it right there. And this is the Kingston SNV2S1000G. So we have the name of it and the capacity, and it's been formatted. The system disk, yes, page file, and the type right down here. And you can see if it's transferring any data. So just come to this page and look at this, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.